Hello everyone, my name is Daryl, and I thought it was time to unveil my ROV project. I've been working on this thing for about a week. Uh, don't even know really what prompted me to do this, just curiosity I think. Um, I'll start with the frame. The frame is 1-inch PVC pipe. I've screwed all the joints together with these little self-tapping drill screws, the ones that have the little drill bit on the end of them. Drilled some pilot holes and put those in, and those seem to be working pretty good. The red and white tubes here are my buoyancy tanks. I'm thinking I may put some inner tubes inside those and drill a hole in them so that they can flood with a little bit of water, and then I can air up the tubes to get the buoyancy where it's neutral. Just I'll play around, do some testing on that, and I'll post my results. My lights are just a pair of LED, supposedly waterproof lights for like a four-wheel drive. Picked those up on Amazon, a pair of them for like 12 bucks. They were amazingly cheap. The camera is a QC security camera that I have mounted in this bigger piece of PVC, and I just built a drop-down bracket, and I've got a bracket. Let's see if I can get a shot of that underneath the tube, and then I've got that clamped on there with a hose clamp. The buoyancy tanks, I've got those mounted with hose clamps as well. I don't think this camera's focusing, so there we go. Maybe that's a little better. Sorry for the video quality. My tether, I've got that on here with some eye bolts and a piece of hollow poly rope. This has got the hollow weave on it, and my plan is to run my coax for the video and my Cat 5 cable for my controls inside of that rope, so that I'll have the strength of the rope in case I get hung up and need to pull it back to the surface. And then this poly rope floats, and the Cat 5 cable that I've got, I cut a few feet of that loose and threw it in a tank of water, and it actually floats. So maybe I can get by without having to have a bunch of swim noodle pieces or something attached to my tether. For thrusters, just got these yesterday. Ordered 3 of these 1100 gallon bilge pumps. Got one of them cut down and started mocking up for these radio controlled boat props. I have to do some testing on those, and I'll post those videos and results when I get them. This is my control panel. Using a laptop for the video feed. Ordered a joystick on eBay for like, I think this was like 11 bucks. I was really impressed with it. It's a really nice heavy duty little joystick. It's just a switch type. No speed control on this particular joystick, but if everything else works out on the ROV alright, I've got an Arduino and some controllers that I'll be putting probably a different joystick on so that it's got speed controls. But I just threw all of this in I had this case that was made for one of those old 70s or 80s video camera setups that worked out real nice. It's actually got an O-ring seal on it, and everything fit real nice, and can close that up and protect all my electronics. I guess that's pretty much it for now. As I do some testing and after I get this thing in the water, I'll be posting some more video and let you know how all this stuff works out.